Hey, what is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G back with another video. It is early morning, straight just woke up. Today we are gonna be putting a lip on my M340i. So I got the lip all set up. It's 3 pieces. I gotta put it together and then we're gonna put it on. So it's got little tabs on the thing, you can see right there, and then we're gonna push it into the middle piece, and then the same thing on the other side. And then once you get that, we're gonna drill the self tappers in there. So the lip comes with 2 sets of screws. It comes with small ones and big ones. For just attaching the side pieces to the middle piece, we're gonna use the small ones, and then to drill into the car, we're gonna use the longer ones. Also, tip I never mentioned is when you do this, you want to put your car on ramps and also clean the bottom of your bumper with rubbing alcohol, so it gets a good stick. But if you don't put your car on ramps or jack it up, then it's gonna be pretty hard to get a drill under here and drill into the thing, because like the clearance is not that much. And yeah, so I got this side on. Now I'm gonna work on this side. Tip I can give is make sure you hold the back while you're drilling this in, because you want it to like be flush and like good. So I got it all assembled, and now I'm looking under here. I know all lips are different, not all lips have these, but there's like 6 of these tabs, and then there's 6 bolts up here on the bumper. So I'm assuming all of these bolts come off, and then you bolt them into these things, like from the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna start on, and these are 10 mils. So I got 2 screws in it right now. It's on, but I did the most right screw, and then the most left screw, so I still have a space to like put it down when we do the tape and like clean, or I already cleaned it, but when we do the tape and we do the self tappers, so like you don't want to fully secure it, but just put like 2 starting bolts so you can like get the fitment right before you fully like, because once that double-sided tape is pulled and like whatever, that shit is stuck. So you want to get it where you want it before you do all that. Doing this lip, I realized that I've never actually looked under my car. Like you see all the exhaust and shit. So I got all the bottom bolts on with the lip, and now I'm gonna apply the double-sided tape in here, and maybe 1 or 2 self tappers, but honestly it's pretty solid. I know I'm gonna need some over here and on the other side, but yeah. So I got all the bottom bolts on with the lip, and now I'm gonna apply the double-sided tape in here, and maybe 1 or 2 self tappers, but honestly it's pretty solid. I know I'm gonna need some over here and on the other side, but yeah. Alright, so I got the middle adhesive on. I put double-sided tape all the way down, and then I didn't do any self tappers in the bottom yet, because I don't even know if the middle needs it. I might put 1 or 2. And for this side, I adhesived it on the front, like right here, all the way to the back, and then I put a self tapper right here, right here, and then I'm gonna put 1 floppy right there, and then that should be good. And then I gotta do the left side, and then we should be done. So since I didn't really document the other side, I put tape across here all the way back down to the back, and then I'm gonna peel it off, stick it, and then I'm gonna start on the self tappers there, and there, and then we should be good. Also gotta say, the fitment on this lip is so good. Like every bolt that needs to go in fits perfectly. Like the middle bolts, the side bolts, like where you tape, like it's all perfect. I got this from AKA Motorsports. There's like a $99 version with like the little slats in the middle, and then this is the like $130 version, and it doesn't have them, but people say it's like better quality. But yeah, I heard also you can get like the same shit on eBay. So shop around, see whatever, but I got this from AKA Motorsports. I'll put the link in the description, and it fits super well. Literally perfect install, no misfitting bolts, no anything. Like, this shit went smooth as fucking butter, bro. So I've got all the stealth tappers in. I didn't do all of the middle because I really just don't think it needs it. I did like 2 right here, 2 right here in the middle, and then I'll probably do 1 right here. 1, damn, camera work, right here. But I don't think you need to put like 7 screws on your front bumper to hold this, because you already have all these bumper tabs holding it. So I think you'd be good with like 3. I don't think it's necessary to really put all of them. But yeah, so it's been Ride with G, another video, another quick install. Thank y'all for watching. Yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Bye.